Hi, today we are going to take you to Galteshwar Mahadev temple near Sarnar village, Kheda district of Gujarat. As these are times of pandemic, please ensure to wear mask. The temple is very old which is dedicated to Lord Shiva, is located about 85 kilometers from Vadodara. We need to cross this part of National Highway NH8 which connects Mumbai to Delhi. People in Vadodara can plan a one-day trip with a family to this place. We are moving along the green pastures and the roads are loaded with traffic. Sometimes we are unusually encountered with tractors and lorries. Sometimes with grazing cows and local villagers. On the way, we decided to stop our van for a short while. But to the surprise, we found out a shrub that has these beautiful violet flowers. These flowers are called Shankapushpi as told by my wife, and they can be offered to Lord Shiva in the temple. So she plucked a few and we are continuing the journey from here. In a short while we reached the bridge over the river Mahi. As we visited during the monsoon season, we can see the river flowing with a turbulent force. The temple is located at the confluence of Galta river and Mahi river. The temple received its name from the Galta river. We have reached near the Sarnar village. Moving towards the temple complex and talking more about this temple, this is a Shiva temple of Solanki era situated on the confluence of river Mahi and Galta, where it is said lived Galva Muni Chandrahasa of Pauranic fame. The proper shrine is located lower to the level of Mandapa and is square from inside. From outside, the shrine is circular with the diameter of 24 feet with numerous projections and recesses. While moving along the temple, we can see the banks of river Mahi. My wife, being a staunch devotee of Lord Shiva, is offering her prayers. She is in the Garbhagriha or shrine part of the temple, which is square from inside, while it's round from outside. The temple follows a Nirandra type of architecture, having Garbhagriha or proper shrine and Mandapa or dancing floor in its architecture. This is the Mandapa or dancing hall section of the temple. There are 8 inner pillars and 16 outer smaller pillars which support the roof of the Mandapa. The 8-sided Mandapa has several projecting angles similar to Chaulakya temples in Gujarat like the Sun Temple of Modhera, Somnath Temple and Shejakpur Temple. The temple is rich in art and architecture, has a unique 8-sided hall. The walls have carved figures of gods, Gandharvas, humans, rishis, horse riders, elephant riders, chariots, doli, and the events of human life from birth to death. All are depicted in these carvings. As you can see, some part of the temples are partly being restored to its previous fame. I guess we would be able to see them soon. The molding decorations and the sculptures resemble to the Kumarapala temple at Somnath and other shrines built in the 12th century during the reigns of Chaulukya ruler Kumarapala. The temple is of national importance, protected by the Archaeological Survey of India. We have very well maintained garden along the temple complex. Here we can see the bridge moments before we came on and crossed the river Mahi. On the other part of the garden, we have a picturesque view of the river flowing along the agriculture landscape filled with soothing green color. While doing fact finding, we came to know that the bridge was inaugurated by then Chief Minister of Gujarat, now the present Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, in the year 2002, and it has been connecting since last 18 years. This temple is a part of Archaeological Survey of India protected monument which has an heritage importance and is a part of Gujarat tourism tourist attraction. The Google Map links have been shared in the description below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel and please share it with your friends and relatives to plan a trip. Till then, we shall come again with another video. Thank you for watching.